What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. You join me today in front of the Vauxhall Astra Mark 6 for a quick tutorial on how to locate your fuse boxes. Something that always comes up, you need to change your fuse, you don't even know where to start. There's 3 main boxes on this car, so I'm going to show you where each of them are and sort of what fuses they cover. So let's crack on, show you guys how. First thing you want to do is pop your bonnet for the first one. This is the exterior fuse box, and it covers things like your engine management sensors and anything engine and electrical related. This box will cover. So if you get your bonnet open and go straight towards your battery on the right hand side of your engine, and to the right of that is a plastic cover here. Now there'll be some tabs on it like so. There's one there, so click that down, and one on this side, so you can pop that open. So take the lid off, revealing all the fuses and relays. Like I say, these cover things like headlights, engine, electrical bits, sort of anything towards the front of the car in general. So that's the exterior fuse box. And when you put the cover back on, make sure it goes back on properly, so you don't want to get any moisture in there. Right guys, for your next fuse box, you want to open your passenger door up and go straight for your glove box. Glove box open, revealing, well, first it'll be this flap, should be shut, but it doesn't stay shut on this. And you pull this flap down a little bit up there, and it'll reveal a small fuse box. This will most likely cover fuses in the interior, you know, interior lights, things like that, electric windows, etc. But if there's a particular fuse you want to find, and you know, rather than looking through all of them and trying to check every single fuse, let us know in the comments below this video, and I'll get back to you with the exact fuse you need and where it is. So that's the interior fuse box. Shut that up, shut the glove box up, and there's one more in the boot. So when you've opened your boot, ignore the mess, it's not my car. There's a flap on the left hand side here, a little bit there to turn it, do it by hand. Pull this flap down and it'll reveal a few fuses here. I'm not sure exactly what these cover. There's also a few relays. If you're stuck for finding a relay, it could be in the boot. But again, if you've got something that needs a fuse changing, you're not sure where it is, just let us know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. And there you go guys, that's your 3 fuse boxes on the Vauxhall Astra Mark 6 or Vauxhall Astra J. You've got one underneath the bonnet just to the right of the battery, one in your glove box just behind the flap at the back of the glove box, and one in the boot on the left hand side. So I hope you found this video useful. That's the fuse box location on the Astra Mark 6. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out the other Astra tutorials. Until next time guys, peace.